Paint system collapse starts in the bucket, not on the wall. When paint separates, thickens, or develop odor, the system has already failed. Do you know that most paint manufacturers don't lose money because they can't sell paint? They lose money because their system collapsed before application. I run a paint production business and train manufacturers from beginners starting from zero to producers already manufacturing paint and struggling with failure. And the pattern is always the same. Bucket failure is never random. You see, paint manufacturing is not about mixing, it's about understanding. And the paint system collapse is when instability appears before the paint is used. Separation, thickness, and odor are not separate problem. Notice this carefully. This is not an application issue. It is a system issue. That distinction is exactly what zero to manufacturing train. Now, paint separation is not caused by storage. Storage only expose weak system design. Now, let's look at the first sign of system collapse, which is paint separation. You see, paint separation is not caused by storage, like I said. Storage only expose weak system design, which are your binder, fillers in balance, poor dispension logic, no rest phase control. You see, factory don't fear storage. They design system that survives storage. Now, the system stress, which is the paint thickening. You see, thickening is not a thickener problem. No, so many of us get it wrong. It is a loss of system control, which simply means your pH draft, binder stress, incorrect hydration sequence, which a lot of us are not aware. Also, adding water does not fix thickening. It delays collapse. So you see why your system collapse. You see, every blend correction increases loss. Control eliminates it. Now, offensive odor is not cosmetic, which so many of us are not aware of. It means the system is breaking down internally, which simply means your microbial activity, poor preservative logic, dead zone in the formulation. Odor is chemical communication and it always speaks before failure. That is why when you notice your paint have started having foul smell, there's that changing colors, it will give you the first stage. When you open the bucket, you notice some greenish or some color changes at the first stage before it leads to the other system. That is to say, dead zone in the formulation. They've started showing their faces. Hope you're learning something. Separation, thickening, and odor are not three problems. They are one system collapsing at different stages, and the cause is always the same: lack of control. Which signal of system collapse have you experienced most? Is it separation? Is it thickening or odor? I know most paint manufacturers are always encountering these issues. So drop in the comment section for diagnosis. Is it separation you've encountered? Is it thickening you've encountered or other? When I'm talking about thickening, I'm talking about after production process when you keep your paint down. You see it thicken that leads to blockage. Most of the time, you keep your paint, you see the separation. The paint is down, it has blocked, the acrylic is up. Then, when we talk about odor, you have that foul smell so strong, the paint has changed color, to you is unrepaired. So, which of these have you encountered? Drop it and I'll give you a quick reply why. Remember to subscribe. Don't just watch. Your support matters. To our Glenafy student, channel members, and subscriber, thank you. And to those joining us today, you're welcome. Please like this video so it reaches the right manufacturers and give the videos a thumbs up by liking. If you're still correcting paint by instant, you are already paying for mistakes. Zero to manufacturing is not where you learn chemical. It is where you learn control. If you want to stop guessing and start producing like a factory, the link below is where that shift happens. You can also explore our Glenify Paint ebook, Advanced Formulation for manufacturers who want depth learning. Also, thank you for watching until the next class. Bye for now.